Okay, here we are, 2008 Buick LaCrosse. Most of these other videos that I found on YouTube were worthless, so I thought I'd do my own. I just spent an hour replacing the lamp, the low beam lamp on this one. I ended up having to reroute a cable and unplug things, and it was just impossible to get down into this spot here. Impossible to get down in here and get this out. So on the other side, I actually spent a little bit more time here, and I determined the secret. The secret is you need to pull this assembly forward far enough so that you can actually rest this pin against the body frame. Okay, so you have to pull it out. That may mean moving this up down a little bit to let you clear that as you're pulling out. Same thing comes over here on this release. You may have to move this up or down a little bit as you're pulling out. You have to pull on it pretty hard, which is another thing I was not willing to do when I first started. So once I got this resting out here, that gives me the clearance I need to get in here relatively easily and remove this and pull it out without removing other lamps and wiring and cursing. So I just did it, tested it, the lamps work, but before I put it back together, I thought I would show you the secret to this. When you do it right, this is actually going to protrude out away, apologize for the lighting here, protrude out away from the body a little bit. Okay. Also, that helped me get this out is lifting up right here on this to let it clear this rubber so that this front fender here would pull out easier. Okay, that was kind of key, in addition to removing the plunger there. So there's only 3 things you have to remove. This bolt, this thing needs to be pulled out to start the process, and this little catch here, and also pulling up on the fender to get it past this rubber bumper. Those things all together help you work it out so that you can get enough room to actually get in here and get that thing out. So I'm going to put it back now, and here it is all put back together. You see the pieces fully engaged, the clip is down. This one's fully engaged now, back in its spot. Looks just like the other side here. Yep.